Welcome to the second video of the LeaseStar Classified Overview. To get you started and to understand how all of this is generated, I want to start you in the Marketing Center. The way you access the Marketing Center is by visiting the website, mc.myleasestar.com. You then enter your email and password. If you don't know your email and password, you can always contact our customer support for help. You also have the ability to recover your password or create a password by using the Forgot Password link directly on this page. When you click on Forgot Password, you can enter your email address where your reminder will be going, then click Continue. That will send you an email that will allow you to create a password. Once you log in, you will be brought to a page that looks like this. And in our Marketing Center, we host several marketing solutions outside of just the classified service. For this purpose, we are only going to focus on things that handle or work with the classified service. You'll notice that all navigation can happen right on the top bar within our Marketing Center. In this video, we will start under Post to Classified. Underneath Post to Classified, you'll see something that says Listing Library. Underneath your listing library, there is a button that allows you to create a new listing. When we click on Create a New Listing, it will walk us through the steps to create a new ad that can be added to our schedules. Underneath Create New Listing, you're able to choose a floor plan that exists in the LeaseStar platform. A property level will include all of your floor plans in the ad you're choosing or making right now. Once you click on your floor plan, you can then choose a title. Our recommendation would be to create a new title every time that you post to ensure that you're creating and using different titles with each ad you create. However, if you wanted to, there is the ability to choose a title that already exists. I'm going to show you how to create a new title. After clicking New Title, you can customize and write in your own title here. You're also able to use words from below, so we have some words to spur you to create different titles along the way. Once you're done, you'll hit Save, so you'll see our title is automatically generated and put in place for us. We're also able to create a new description, so we recommend that as well, so your description will be different in every ad that you create. Type in a description name that will only be seen by you. Then your description text will be seen by your prospects viewing the ad. When you're done, you hit Save. That will then appear in your drop-down. In this one, I'll use a description I've already created, so you can see how that looks. Your location, you can choose your location, or it should be available for you in the drop-down box already. Then you'll just click on Next. When you click on Next, it brings you into our Listing Builder. Underneath our Listing Builder, you have two options. You can select the design or choose contents. So when you click Select Design, you'll be able to choose from one of 7 of our different layouts. As you scroll through these different layouts, each one has different components from your contents on the actual ad. So you'll want to look at the different layouts to understand which components are included with each of your ads. If you look at content, if we click on the Choose Content option, this will allow you to remove or put back in different content blocks. Let's take a look at our property amenities as an example. You'll see this box here. You can scroll your mouse over, and on the upper right-hand side, you can click to remove this. If you wanted to bring it back in, say you removed it by accident, you can click on the checkbox, and it will automatically make it reappear. The same thing is true for your floor plan amenities. You can remove that right from there, and these other sections as well. So maybe you really want to simplify your ads so this ad says something very unique compared to all your other content that would be populated in most of your ads that you'd be creating. So this Choose Content is a way to differentiate some of your content in your ad. Importantly, you'll want to add a different description in every one of your ads and a different title, which we've already covered on the previous screen. The last thing to note is that you cannot in some of these sections actually click to edit. So if you wanted to click to edit this headline, you can click in and actually change this to be something unique for this particular ad. So by highlighting, you can actually start typing a custom header. There's also all of the word editing features, so you can bold, italicize, underline. There's also the ability to spell check. When you're done, click Done Editing, and that change will appear for you. The last thing I want to make you aware of, if you were to look at your floor plan amenities, these again are coming directly from your property profile section or your generic marketing content. The same with your office hours and a lot of these content blocks. So my recommendation would be to change your information if you see that something's wrong as it relates to your office hours or your property amenities or one of these other sections that can be updated within the property profiles of our marketing section, which we went over in our previous video. When you update that section, it will update all of your ads in all of these sections for you, so you won't have to do it one by one. The click to edit here can really be used as a way to differentiate your content within this ad. Again, once you've selected your design or your layout, and then you've chosen your content and maybe edited some of it, you're ready to move on to the next step, which will be to click on the Next option. From here, you have the ability to type in a listing name, which is one that you'll want to be able to identify for your schedules. So, something that reminds you what you've written about. I'm going to put 2-bedroom large closet, since this is what the ad is about. You can click Save or Save and Post Now. For this example, we'll click Save so you can learn how to add this to your listing library, as we really want you to be posting from the reminders directly, as opposed to manually. So we'll click Save here, and when I do, you'll find that this shows up in my listing library, so you'll see it here. I can then preview that like we've done previously, or I can actually go ahead and actually post it directly from here as well by clicking the Post button, and that will bring up those windows side by side as we've been through previously. During the listing creation process, to show you one time again, when you're choosing the floor plan, your title, and the descriptions, you'll see titles and descriptions that already exist. I want to show you where these are pulling from in case you don't remember the descriptions and what they are. So you'll see under Listing Title, this is where we are pulling all of your titles from. You can click to edit any of these titles and it will update and save for you. You can also delete them if you'd like. Under Listing Descriptions, you'll see the description names that we've put in place. So for instance, if I was going to use this 1-bedroom, 1-bath large closet, I can preview that description here, so I'll remember exactly what that description text said. If I wanted to change this so I can remember what the description is when I'm on the listing creation page, or I'm choosing my description, it allows me to then change this. I can name it Large Closet if I wanted to and just hit Save. That will change it, so if I go to create a new listing, it will actually appear that way for me. Again, under Post to Classified, under the Listing Library, when I click Create New Listing, I just change that description. So now it does show as Large Closet, and I remember exactly what that description means. So that's how you can save things differently under listing titles and descriptions to spur your memory when creating a new listing. The left window will give you instruction on how to post. Our posting assistant will walk you through the posting process one step at a time. The right window will allow you to navigate the classified site of your choice. We strongly recommend bookmarking the classified sites of your choice so you can easily access them and post content from the left window to the right window. For this example, I have bookmarked a link directly to Backpage. When I click on my bookmark, I'm brought directly to where I'd like to post my ad. You will see on the left-hand side that when you're complete with your posting, you'll want to notify us so that you get credit for your posting efforts. You can do that by simply clicking Yes. As you proceed through the steps to post, you will find all of the information in Step 3 needed to complete the posting process. With these, you are able to copy and paste from left to right all of the information that is needed. In this example, I know it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom ad that I'm posting. So I will choose 2-bedroom. Then I can go and find my title. I can just copy and paste that right here. You'll find your posting description right here, so I will copy and paste that. You will fill in the rest of the information in exactly the same way. You will see, as you scroll down the left-hand side, that you have the ability to add something to a map. So we do provide your address. Additionally, we also provide an image. So if you need to add an image to the classified site you're posting to, you're able to do that from the left-hand window and save this image directly to your desktop. Once the image is saved to your desktop, you would then be able to upload it to the classified site of your choice. After you hit the Save button, this is the option so you can save as and then save directly to your desktop. Once you complete all the steps on the left-hand side and you navigate through the process at the specific classified sites we need you to take to publish your ad, you will be done with posting. So you want to follow our steps and the steps in the classified site to ensure that your postings have been published.